Hello, it's Naila. So many of you have asked me how you rap like that, how you do this one, how you do this one. Well, today we're going to do one in particular that I'm asked about a lot. There's another one, but I can't remember what it is right now. I have to go through the inbox and check it. So we're going to focus on this one for today, okay? And you've seen me wear this one a lot here lately, and it's mainly because it's hot. It's the summertime, and this one is quite cool. So as you see, this is very, very long. You're going to need a long piece to this one. I folded it at the front. Take it over. Alright, now you see one side is longer, very long, like to the floor. Now I'm only 4'11", so to reach the floor on me isn't saying much. Alright, but this side is literally touching the floor. I'll back up so you can see how long it is. I take it over, bring it around. Now, having this tight is very, very important to me because I have a big head, so I need security, okay? So I am tightening it, laying it flat, all right? Making sure that the decorative side is underneath, okay? Now these pieces right here, these pieces are actually what's pulling here. So I'm going to pull them tight because remember, I said I like security, right? So I'm going to bring these to the front. Now this is where you have to really pay attention. Alright, just going to pull that. And I'm going to tuck. I'm going to tuck. Now what you do next with this piece actually determines how the scarf is going to make up its mind about what it's going to do. Because this is going to determine your lay side. So you'll see what I'm talking about in just a sec. So I just take this and I tuck it over here somewhere. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be all nice and neat and cute because it's not going to be seen. Now, you know, don't let stuff just hang all out anywhere, but they're not going to be able to see this. So I'm going to take this and notice my decorative side is actually going to be what's showing. I'm going to pull. I pull and I flip. And I just flip that back. Now, I come up here. I'm literally pulling it to the back. Okay? I pull it to the back. And notice that because I put this over here, I'm going to have more of a lay over here. I'm going to have more of a thickness over here, which is actually what I want. I keep pulling here and pulling this out, pulling that to the back. Now what will happen sometimes is this right here will get in your face and will be bothersome. At least it is to me. So I just take a pin, which I don't, yes I do, here's one right here. I just get a straight pin, see, just a simple straight pin. Muslimas know what this is. And I'll just take it and I'll pin this back. Because I just don't want all that in my face. You could do it like this. You can do it however you choose. You could actually decide to just tuck it back. And like, I don't want that. And it actually behaves. I just tucked it up underneath there. I prefer to let it hang on one side. Now, you see this back here? Y'all just, I got a lot of hair. That's just it, okay? Y'all, everybody's thinking Muslim women bald-headed. It's a lie, okay? It's a lie. So for some of you, you better be glad we covered, because if these men could see what was up underneath here, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. We're gonna stay on what we here for. All right, so I usually literally pat this down so it won't go so far out. If you like, you can leave it in the back and just let it do what you want. You can pull it over here to this side and let this side be your hang point. I prefer this one because it's more natural for the scarf. If you wear scarves or wraps a lot, you know that they kind of have their own personality, and sometimes you just have to let it just fall. And so I'll let it fall where it wants to. And this is really secure. That mug, she ain't going nowhere. And what I'll do, because it's kind of low on my forehead, right? And I do that because, you know, this is my little foundation. This is what's going to hold me together. And I just pull it back just a little bit. Get my ear covered over here. And pull it down. And that is it. So for all of you who've been asking for this one, there you go. Now, I will look in my inbox and see what the other one is, because truthfully, I don't remember right now, but I will definitely show you. Enjoy!